According to the internet, AI labs are about to eat every software company alive. CRMs gone, ERP gone, your payroll tool replaced by a chatbot with confidence issues because apparently we are heading toward one giant AI brain and everything else is just a dumb data pipe. So here's what happened. Snowflake's CEO Sridhar Ramaswamy went on a podcast. He basically said, did AI model makers want a world where all enterprise data flows into them, all of it, and the rest of the software ecosystem just pipes feeding that big model? At the same time, AI labs like OpenAI are moving beyond AI infrastructure. They are building software products, sales tools, support tools, document analysis, which starts looking a little threatening to companies like Salesforce or Oracle. Then a VC from Anderson Horowitz said, relax, software isn't that easy to replace, and AI won't magically wipe out enterprise tools. And markets panicked anyway because markets love drama. Here's why this is so confusing. We are mixing up two different things, models and software systems. A large AI model feels like a super brain, so people assume if it's smart enough, why do we need other software? That's like saying if you hire a genius chef, you don't need a kitchen. No, you still need ingredients, you still need storage, you still need processes. Enterprise software isn't just thinking, it's workflows, permissions, compliance, audit logs, weird edge cases from 2008. AI can reason, but enterprise systems organize chaos. Different jobs, but when AI labs start building actual software products, now it looks like overlap and Twitter loses its mind. Here's the real shift. AI labs started as infrastructure, APIs, models, tokens. Now they are climbing up the stack. Instead of just being the brain, they are building full applications. Why? Because whoever controls the interface controls the user relationship. If you only provide the model, you are a supplier. If you build the agent, the dashboard, the workflow, now you are the product. That's the strategic tension. Snowflake's concern isn't AI is smart. The concern is if AI companies own the agent layer, we become backend storage, just pipes. And from a business perspective, nobody wants to be a pipe. Meanwhile, the VC perspective says replacing enterprise software is expensive. Software is maybe 8 to 12% of company costs. Even if AI makes it 10% cheaper, that's not revolutionary. So the reality is AI models are powerful, but enterprise systems are sticky, very sticky. Let's make this relatable. Imagine this dev scenario. You build a backend service. It handles auth, database access, logging, permissions. Then someone installs a super smart AI agent and says, why do you need your backend? The AI can think, okay, sounds cool. Ask the AI who has the admin access. What version of the schema is live? What changed on Tuesday at 3:42 p.m.? Why did finance override payroll in Q4? The AI can reason, but it still needs structured data. So your backend doesn't disappear, it becomes invisible. That's the fear. Not extinction, but commoditization. No founder wakes up saying, I hope we become a plumbing company. But plumbing runs the building quietly, reliably, unsexy, and critical. This isn't AI replacing software, it's a stack reshuffling. Models are moving upward, software companies are defending territory. The real question isn't will AI kill SaaS? It's Who owns the workflow layer? Who owns the agent? Who owns the user? Enterprise software won't vanish, but the boundaries between model provider and application provider are blurring. That's the shift. So, no, we are not becoming a world of one giant AI brain with everything else as a dumb pipes. But we are watching a power struggle over who sits closest to the user. And that's way more interesting than panic headlines. What do you think? Are AI labs climbing too high up the stack? Or this is just a normal tech evolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.